All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. Here is morning in Nigeria. So, today we'll be working on Afro Lowcut fade. A lot of people have been asking me in the comment section that I should do a tutorial on this kind of hairstyle, that kind of hairstyle. So, someone requested for this one. That's why I took my time to make sure I detail everything from beginning to the end. So don't be in a haste to rush or to quit the video. Take your time. If you don't have data, go and buy data. This video is 14 minutes, I guess. So I detail everything. I'm begging you to exercise patience and watch this video from beginning to the end. Remember, my video, you always learn something new. Please. Now let's dive into it. You saw what I did there. I've sterilized my clipper, pick up my tools, the necessary tools I needed to bring this head down. Now this customer told me to bring the head down. That is why I basically do this video for you guys asking me about low cut, afro, fade. So you are going to see how I transform this hair step by step. Now I want to bring this hair down. You know what I did? I put it on skin. I close the blade. I use step 2. So I first use it and check something. You see, I use step 2 and the thing is not coming down the way I want. You get? So I change it to step 1 because anytime someone asks you to bring his or her hair down, make sure you use the highest step so that you not make mistake. Understand? He told me that I should bring it down. That's why I first made use of step 2, but the step 2 did not give me the level I wanted. Understand? So I used step 1. See the way I'm texturing it. Always make sure, I forgot to told you guys, but you guys saw it. I first did what? I combed the hair thoroughly. I combed it very, very well. Understand? I combed it very, very well. I forgot to told you that. I see this is step 1. And step 1 has different settings. You can use step 1 and put the blade on low cut, open the blade, and you can still use step 1 and close the blade. Now if you use step 1 and open the blade, the hair will not go down like this. Understand? Because I closed the blade, that is why it came down this way. Understand? See the way I'm following you. Watch the way the hair grow. Understand? What the way the texture of that hair goes. You see the way I'm doing it, and I'm brushing it, I'm following it. There are some of us that even if you use step 1 and you barb hair, you bring the hair low, you still chop one side of the hair, mostly the center, the center of the hair where the hair grows from. Understand? I'm going to make video specifically for that one. Understand? So that you understand what I'm trying to say, because there is where hair sprout out from. There is one center that hair sprout out from. If you didn't follow it very well, you chop that place up. Understand? So what I'm doing, I took my time to make this video. So don't rush, don't be in a haste. Calm down and watch this video. Now I've done bringing the hair down the way I want. Look at what I want to create. The first guard line now, the first line. I close the blade. I told you guys, whenever you want to skin a hair, or you want to bring hair down, or you want to shape hair, make sure that the clipper is well joined together. It's joined together. Close the blade. Understand? See what I'm doing? What the way my hand is moving. See, this video took my time. Even a customer came and I directed the customer to another salon to go and cut his hair because of I don't want interruption at all. That is why I took my time to do this video for you people. Please don't be stingy. We are all learning. Don't be stingy. If you have updates, share to others. Share this video, let other people benefit from it. Invite your friends, let them come and learn. It's good to have skill. Understand? Now you saw what I did there also. After the first guideline, which is skin, the second one, I opened the blade to low cut to create another line. Understand? See what I'm doing? If you look closely, you see that there is different. One is skin, one is low cut blade. You understand? That's what I'm doing. And make sure you are brushing your hair down. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you are learning something from it. I'm not begging you to subscribe, but it's your choice. Life is all about choice. But if you know you are learning something, you are benefiting from it, please subscribe to learn more. There are a lot of people sending me message commenting that they are learning a lot from me, or even told me that his boss was surprised when he caught someone's afro after watching one of my tutorial. So this is what you will learn from this channel. Tell your friends about this channel, invite your friends, and whenever you see our post, try to like, comment anything and share it, so that YouTube will know that okay, we are imparting knowledge too, so that they will be pushing our videos. Understand? You see what I did there? I closed the blade again to clean off the first line, that skin line, to clean it off. And I use the edge of the blade. But if you're a professional, you might not use the edge. You just use the normal this thing and clean it, or it will not show line. Now this is step one. I want to create another line. You see how this blending, how I blended this hair to the extent you will not see any line. You know, this is tutorial purpose. That's why I'm doing everything practical. Understand? I don't want to rush something so that I'll just come up with the final result. You say, oh, this guy is good. I want you to see it step by step and see all the mistakes and all the corrections you get. Now I've put step one. You should ask me, you should know something. By now you should have noticed something. This step one that I use now, I put it on skin. I close the blade. Watch what I'm doing. Watch it very well. So I texture it very well and brush it down. Understand? Everybody is different. Everybody has the way he or she teaches. Understand? But my own teaching, I teach in a way that even you don't have interest in barbing or learning anything, you have interest. You see, now I've opened the blade. It's not on low cut. See the way I'm flicking my hand rather. Look at the way I'm flipping it up. See the way I'm doing it. Watch the way my hand is moving. See, if you not do it very well, you create another line. But see, can you see the blend is coming out? I'm not yet done, no, but the blend is coming out. Please give us a thumbs up, I beg. Just like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Invite your friends. What I'm doing. See, the blend is coming up. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry to just do it and look for another customer. No. Take your time. Like I told you. See, after I blended it up finish, I bring it down. It's still under low cut blade. I open the blade. See, I'm telling what I did there. I opened the blade. See, I'm brushing it down. Invite others. Don't be stingy. Let them come and benefit from this. Understand? Let them come and I don't want to start telling you a lot of people have taught how to barb. I don't want to make it look as if I'm bragging. No. But I know what I'm saying. See what I'm doing. It's what I'm doing. When you know something, tell others, teach others. Understand? See, after I bring it down finish, see, it's still under what? Low cut. I still carry it up. You have to take your time. Don't be in a rush. I told you that customer came and I told the customer that please, I directed him to another salon to go and cut his hair, because I want to make this video for beginners and for professionals. Nobody knows it all. Nobody is a professional to me, because we learn every day. Now I've removed the blade. See what I want to do? I open it. It's under low cut. Now you trim it down. Understand? Now when you trim it down and you want to fade off those outgrowth hair, start from the tip. So don't go inside, please. See what I'm doing? Don't go inside. See what I'm doing? It's under low cut. Brush it down, blend it down. Please don't be in a hurry. I'm doing this thing like you're saying. That customer that came, that I told him to go the other side. I know that money, if I should give anybody that money, it will help that person the way this video will help. Understand? So I took my time to make this video for you people. Watch what I'm doing. the, as you are blending it down, make sure you are brushing it. Brush helps a lot. See now, see what I want to see is on that low cut too. That's why I told you that barbing is calculation, and it's all about having patience. You get? So after I've done that, I still carry it up on that look. I still blend the outgrowth ones. I still blend it. See the way I'm trimming it off. See the way I'm bringing it. See the way my hand is moving. One lady came yesterday also. She told me that she wants to learn. That how many months is it going to take? I told her that you can learn by within 1 week. So far you are determined and you are focused. Understand? Once you know how to handle clipper, you are good to go. See what I'm doing. Once you know how to handle clipper, how to set your blade, when to use steps, you are good to go. See, understand? Nobody is better than anybody. Understand? Don't say that this person is the best, is big, he knows how to barb more than anybody. No. We are all learning. So far you are alive, you are still living, you are still learning. See what I'm doing. I took my time. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch how my hand is moving. Understand? Now we are done. Back to want to carve the hair now. Make sure you use your comb and comb out the hairs if it's the beards. Understand? Make sure you do that. Now, sorry that this tripod I'm managing it, but I believe that you are learning something. At least you are seeing what I'm doing. Now, you should know what I did as well. Before you carve your anybody's hair, make sure you join the clipper, join the blade together. You see, he's not feeling pained because why? I set it very well. That's what I'm doing. Watch it. I start my carving. For those that ask me the best place to start if you want to carve someone's hair, my own best way, the one that works for me, is starting it from the vertical line. See the way I'm curving the friction side. Follow the hair the way it grows. Follow it very well, the way it grows. Don't go and push back someone's hair inside. It's not good. Follow it. See, if the blade is not well set, this customer will be feeling pained. Understand? See what I'm doing is see what I'm doing. I'm following the line carefully. Understand? So guys, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share it, don't forget to comment, and most especially don't forget to subscribe. I'm not asking you to give me money. I'm rendering my own help, my own service. So your own in return is to subscribe, like, and share, and invite others to come and learn. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be doing this thing. Understand? I feel like, okay, let me put out this thing online, let other people learn. Understand? So most in the era we are now, anything you want to learn is online. You go online and check it. Anyone that works best for you, you follow the person. My own tutorial is different. I detail it thoroughly like a newborn baby. All this noisy school student, I teach. That is how I teach my own. See what I'm doing. You should know what I did here now. It's under low cut. I brush the beards down. Follow what the customer asks you to do. Understand? The mustache too. Now he does not want to carve the mustache. He said he's not carving the mustache. I should just bring it down, and that's what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. Make sure you use your face brush to dust off any hair that is on your customer's face or whatever. Understand? This is the final result. So guys, if you like this tutorial and you benefit from it, make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Invite people. Thank you.